Hey, STEMsters, don't throw that cardboard away, because we're going to turn it into... Oh, hi, STEMsters. Today, we're going to make a bionic hand. Yes, the bionic hand was actually invented in 2002 by a man named David Gow. He called it the I hand, and eventually he invented an entire arm that could be used as a prosthetic, which he called the I arm. Kind of like the iPhone. So let's get started. But first, I want to show you what we're going to need to make your own bionic hand. Yeah, this is great. These are the parts and tools you're going to need to make a bionic hand. First, we start with our construction paper or recycled paper. Then we use a marker pen, 4 straws, 5 pieces of string, 12 inches long, 1 ruler, and scissors, and a glue gun. Hi, STEMsters. Welcome back. Now it's time to collect some data. First thing you want to do is to see if this hand, your bionic hand, matches your hand. So we're going to pull on some of the strings and see if the fingers move the same way. So this will be the pointer finger. We're going to pull on that string. That's the thumb. And this one, see how far down it goes. Is that how your finger moves? Can it move the same? I can touch the bottom of my wrist. Can we do that with our bionic hand? Not too bad. Might need some adjustments. The next thing is to see if it can pick up something. You could try to pick up a ball or something like that. You might want to even try to make it stronger by using maybe cardboard instead of construction paper. So there's a lot to do, but make sure that you put all your data in your sketches in your data logbook. So until next time, it's me, Professor Jim. And don't forget to subscribe. Just press the button somewhere on there and visit our website at ProdigySTEM.com. Bye.